Hi, I'm Chad Fowler with Sortimo North America. Here at Sortimo, innovations behind everything we do, from small businesses to large fleets. We're built to adapt to meet your needs. In the Sortimo Solution Series behind the Upfit, we're traveling to our partners, J3 Upfitters in Decatur, Georgia.
Chad?
Hey Sean, how are you, sir?
How are you?
Excellent.
All right.
We're here with J3 Upfitters for the Sortimo Solution Series behind the Upfit. Sean's going to walk us through an Upfit they've done recently.
Let's take a look, Chad. Let's go to the back.
Chad, how's it going?
Excellent. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm Adam with J3 Upfitters. I'm your vehicle upfit advisor. Today we'll be going through our BrightDrop 600 EV, upfitted by J3 Upfitters with materials provided by Sortimo. Let's go take a look.
All right, Sean, so this BrightDrop 600 EV van, who's this for? Who does this belong to?
This belongs to Cobb County Sheriff Department. They came to us a few months ago and needed a community outreach van. So they wanted to have something set up to where they had to go inside the community and engage with the residents and things of that nature. So they came to us and wanted to outfit, so we came to you guys.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Is this the first van you've done for Cobb County Sheriff's Department?
No, this is the second van.
Second
The
van.
first van was a drone vehicle, and they had a drone specialist come through, and we sat down and kind of drew up some plans, what we needed. We used you guys' configurator to draw that up. Alex drew up some designs and sent it over and proved it. We knocked that out.
So you use the configurator. Did we assist with that design?
Yes, you guys did.
We did.
Yes.
So once the product was designed and ordered, how long did it take to get the product from Sortimo?
Maybe about 2 weeks, tops.
2 weeks. Did the interior come pre-assembled, or did the team here at J3 do the entire assembly?
We did the tire assembly here.
You did.
You know, put everything together. Put the floor in, took that out, put in shelving and everything. So yeah.
What does it entail? What's inside?
Okay. I'll give you a closer look.
Alex.
Chad, how you doing?
Excellent. We have a GM BrightDrop 600 electric vehicle here.
Yes, sir.
Full of Sortimo interior. We'll start with the Sortimo floor, work our way up. What exactly did you do here?
Okay, so with this floor, it uses all pre-existing holes that were in the van previously. So it requires no drilling, which is very beneficial for an EV vehicle because you don't want to drill into the floor of it, potentially compromising the electrical components of it.
This SR5 adjustable shelving unit, what's going on here?
So Cobb County reached out to us for different storage options. So we configured this for them. It has different storage units that also has the ability to be divided if they find a need.
So the SR5 aluminum shelving, I see you have shelving on the bottom. What is it going to be used for?
So this shelving right here will be used for briefcases, gaming consoles, controllers, things of that nature.
These work mode cabinets. So you have 3 different units. They're on wheels, they're stackable, drawers. Tell us a little bit about that.
All right, let me tell you. So these work modes, they have 43-inch monitors in them, also paired with different various storage options.
Do they have dividers, or are dividers an option?
They do have that ability.
What is these Instagrid? I see you have 2 boxes. What are they for? What do they do?
So these Instagrids are used to power the consoles and the monitors that go in the work modes.
Are they portable?
They are.
Interesting. Well, is there anything special about this Upfit that you like the most?
What I like about it, that's just portable. That I can take all these out and move them back in as I see fit. That's what I like most about it.
Is there anything special about this van itself and the Upfit? And
This van
it's
is
different than what you've done in the past.
it's very different. As this is the first 600 BrightDrop EV that I know, with work mode stations and workbench paired with 2 Instagrids, nothing like it.
Gentlemen, thank you for your time today. Thanks for walking us through the van. Thanks for your partnership. Well, I'm sure the Cobb County Sheriff's Department is going to enjoy this van, put it to great use. Stay tuned for future episodes of the Sortimo Solution Series Behind the Upfit.